Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining again. So today I am planning to go a new place. It is Lepakshi. It is in the border of Karnataka and Andhra, around I think so 130 or 140 kilometers from my place. Yeah, so let's get started. So I have started around 6:37. Yeah, I know it is a bit late, but the weather of Bangalore right now is so good. Just don't want to get up in the morning. Yeah. So there is a meetup point for us today. I'm going with a couple of my friends. The meetup point is nearby Hebbal flyover. So I have reached there. They have not. Just waiting for them now. So I am nearby Hebbal flyover now, waiting for my friends to come and join, and then only we'll start for that trip again. Again they are late, usual. Let's see how much more time it is going to take for them. So I'll just show you how the bike looks right now within 1 hour of journey. There's literally mud everywhere. Hopefully the weather is kind of fine, तो मज़ा आने वाला है. Let's see. After waiting for I think so 10-15 minutes, all of them arrived. So all four of us started from there. So we are going to take this Bellary road again, which is the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway. Mostly this flyover after the Hebbal flyover, which will directly connect to the airport, and from there we'll go. Can you spot the plane? Let me know in the comment section. After riding for I think so 35-40 minutes from the meetup points, we thought it is better to take a break, have some snacks, breakfast, and then again we'll start. So we have reached this Srinidhi Vaibhava Pure Veg hotel. It was good, and they have enough parking place to keep bikes, cars, and the food was also nice over here. So we have stopped here for a little snack break. After little breakfast break at Srinidhi, we are continuing our ride now, and hopefully we'll take another break after half an hour, 40 minutes again. What's the rush? I hope you guys can recognize this place, this turning. I think so whole Bangaloreans, whoever ride, they know this particular place, this turn. Let me know in the comment section what is that place. So again we have stopped somewhere on the way just to take quick photos and videos, and they are taking the video. See, okay, we are on the highway somewhere. Let's see how things will be. we almost reached the checkpost. After this checkpost, I think so there will be a left turn where the way to Lepakshi will be. Yeah, this is the left turn which I was talking about. From this turn, I think so it is just 15 kilometers to the temple. After taking the left turn from the highway, the views from on the both side of the road is just amazing. Wow. Both side you can see all the grassland, forest, cropland, everything is there. And the sky just looks like the old Windows screensaver. This 15 kilometer stretch up to the temple is worth driving. And here is the boat. Welcome to Lepakshi. That left side we can see that Garuda on the top. Right side is the Nandi, the world famous Nandi. It is a very big statue made with one rock, I think so. One of a kind. After the Nandi, I think so, not more than 500 meters we'll find this left turn towards the temple. And there is ample parking space for 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers, and a small market for kids who can get toys and other stuff, souvenir if you want to buy. For bikes especially, there is a place given just nearby the entrance stairs where we are going to keep our bikes, and enough space is there for cars and bikes. So let's go inside and see how amazing everything is. So this Lepakshi temple is located in Anantapur district, and this temple was made during the Vijayanagara Empire. I will keep the link of Wikipedia in the description. You can definitely check that out. So nearby entrance on the left side only there is a place given to keep the slippers, shoes, everything. So not to worry. So there are several pillars for which this Lepakshi temple is famous. These are the pillars which are hanging, I think so. Only, yeah, this is the one which is left. All others they have closed. From floor they have filled it up, but this one the government has left to see and understand how everything was in the olden days. See, you can see the gap between the floor and the pillar. So actually this pillar is hanging from the roof. So this is the pillar which I was talking about. There is a gap in between. If suppose you'll be having a kerchief or towel, I'll put it inside and show you guys how the architecture in the olden days, how nice it was, which is not possible. See, These pillars are hanging from the roof. And now the government has closed or filled the gap which was there between the pillars and the floor for safety reasons. So apart from one, all these pillars are filled now. But just imagine, all these pillars were hanging. There is a Naglinga behind the temple, which is also made out of a single stone, I think so. And there is a very interesting story about it. Please read in the description. I will give a link of the website where all these stories and everything is mentioned. It's wind up now. So we were over here for I think so 2 to 3 hours, and we enjoyed a lot. The weather is also very good. Thanks a lot for to the weather god. The weather is nice, and it was mostly cloudy the whole time we were over here. And let me know in the comment section where you want me to go again, the nearby Bangalore or anywhere else. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, like this video. And these all the things, small things which help me to make more videos and go to more places. Around this temple, there is a nice park where if you're coming with your family, friends, you can just bring your lunch, have a picnic. But please don't litter here and there, because we only have to maintain the cleanliness and we have to save our temples. behind a temple there is a nice area. This park area is given. Most of the people maybe not coming this side, but there is a small lake where you can just sit and enjoy the sunset or the weather. It is very cool. You can just sit with your family, friends, and enjoy to have some nice family time. Just be careful with the monkeys. There's a lot of monkeys, and if you are having any purse or anything loose in your hand, they'll just come and grab it from you. So just be careful. If you are coming here, please try this lemon soda. It is awesome.
Copyright ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
I'm going to try now. How is it?
How is it, you ask?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
You
very
can
good.
see the
Definitely.
face and say.
Definitely have to try this once. Okay, Anama.
Cheers. By the time we reached this Nandi statue, it started raining. We were not having much time to see other things behind this Nandi. There is a park, I think so. But we have to rush and go under the shade. Getting late, we didn't have our lunch, so we just stopped nearby this hotel delicacy, something the name was. Last time also when we were going to Gudibande Fort, we stopped here and had our lunch. The food was nice, so we thought we'll stop over here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. It will definitely encourage me to make more videos and go to more places and show you guys how wonderful everything is around us. Thank you.